Now see, so difference between ethics and morality. So what is ethics? Ethics is objective, rational, universal and applied manifestation of morality, and morality is subjective, descriptive, ideal manifestation of ethics. Okay, now the second definition. Ethikos is a word, Latin word. From this we have got another word that is called ethos. And mos is a Greek word. From this we have got morals. What is the meaning of ethikos? The meaning of ethikos is character, and the meaning of mos is what? Customs. I am telling you the origin of ethics and morality. Why? To make you understand where and how ethics and morality are two different phenomena. So this origin of ethics and morality, I am telling you why. To make you understand in their origin, it implies that they are different, right? Ethics is basically originated from ethikos. From ethikos we have got ethos, and ethos means character. From mos we have got morals, and from morals means customs. So ethics talk about character and morality talks about custom. Just tell me, Indians have different customs, Hindus follow different customs, Muslims follow different customs, Christians follow different customs. People of one country, people of India follow different customs, people of America must follow different customs. So customs are different from society to society, religion to religion, country to country, right? Reasons to reason. In Maharashtra, we have some certain kind of customs. In the same Hindus, we have different customs in Maharashtra, right? Questions will never be asked whether mos is a Greek word or a Latin word. Questions will never be asked and has never been asked that ethikos or ethos is a Latin word or Greek word. Thing that matters, why I am using this. I am using this only to make you understand in its origin sense, ethics and morality are two different phenomena. Ethics talks about character and morality talks about customs. Clear? So just tell me whether it is a Hindu or a Muslim or a Christian or an Indian or an American or a Chinese or a Japanese. Everybody talks about good character, but they have different customs in their families. They have different customs in their countries. But so far character is concerned, everybody is on the same platform, right? They are of consensus that customs, that everybody should have good character, whether they are Americans or Indians or Japanese or Chinese or French or German. All are the same when it comes to talking about character. Everybody talks about good character, but customs are different. That is why in the first definition of ethics and morality, I said that ethics is universal manifestation. Ethics is objective manifestation. Clear? So now write the second definition. Ethics originates from ethos, which means character. Now, the second definition of morality. Morality originates from mos. Morality originates from mos, which means custom. So this second definition that I have given you, is only to make you understand that it's the origin of these two words, ethics and morality, also suggests that ethics is an objective and universal manifestation, whereas morality is cultural, social, right, descriptive manifestation of ethics. Now, the third definition. Ethics teaches us administrative, bureaucratic management in order to enhance our decision-making process and capabilities in a particular situation in order to bring justice to all the stakeholders. So as I said you, yes, it is about stakeholders. Ethics talks about justice with all the stakeholders. It's not about only one person. Who are the stakeholders? In this class, if we talk about this class, which is happening this time, you are the stakeholders, I am the stakeholder, the person who is operating these systems are stakeholders, the management of Sambhavam IAS are the stakeholders, right? So they are the stakeholders, and country is also stakeholder, indirect stakeholder, because ultimately whatever we are doing, we are using the resources of our nation, and if we become a good administrator, it will be beneficial for the country. Okay, third definition of ethics we have done. Third difference of morality. So next one is morality teaches us the ideals of life. In the third definition, we have written about ethics. Now we are writing about morals, about morality. Morality teaches us the ideals of life. The fourth definition or the fourth point of comparison. Ethics provides us the principles of, this is very important. Ethics provides us the principles of right conduct, and morality provides us the principles of good conduct. Ethics talks about right conduct, right actions. Morality talks about good conduct and good behavior, right? This is the big difference, because every good action may not be right. For example, you are going somewhere and on the way you see a beggar. So you give him some money, and after giving him money, you feel good because you have helped a person in need. But this is not the right action. So if you see somewhere at the railway station or somewhere, please discourage the beggars. Why? This line is the subset of ethics, because even if you provide a beggar 100 rupees, will it solve his problem forever? It will not solve his problem forever. But both you, the giver, and the beggar, the taker of 100 rupees, feel good. Both you will feel good. So good actions are about morality, which has been taught to us by our parents, by our forefathers, by our grandparents in our religion, right? But ethics says, is it doing a justice? Is it solving the problem of that beggar, that he will not have to beg again? He will not have to ask for money again? No, it will not solve his problem. That is why it is not ethical. We will have to find how we can not only help the beggar, but also contribute to solving the problem of begging. If we are working on that, we are ethical. And that is why later I'll teach you the word compassion, right? The compassion. Compassion says you don't just have to show kindness to somebody. You just have to try to contribute to solve the problem. And that is why we are learning ethics. So ethics is about right conduct. Morality is about good conduct. Now the fifth one, ethics provides us the standards which governs the conduct and behavior of an individual. For example, integrity, accountability, trustworthiness, fortitude, etc. Okay. Now write the fifth definition of morality. Morality provides us the ideal rules and standards made by or established by a group or the society to be followed in general. So morality is providing us some ideal rules, some ideal standards. For example, help the poor, respect the elders, always speak the truth, be patient or have patience. Next, be kind to others. Honesty is the best policy, right?